It was very eye-opening to see how they perceive blackness, let's call it that. Up to this day, me and the professor still link. I'm a virgin. Him told me good virgin, you know. Yeah? Yeah, so bless him up. If him I ever grace this, right? Yeah, and at the college there, me really get props for my writing. Till me I go publish a book. Yeah. Me do a whole heap of things, and that's one of them. I am an author as well. So you can go visit my author website. Yeah? Conrad Wallace Author. My website that. I publish a children's book in 2025. In 23 I think I published that children's book. And I have a next book I come soon too. Yeah? I have a next book I forward soon. I don't want to give you much about the book, but that is not going to be a children's book. The one we are forward. Yeah, it's going to be one for grown up. Very motivational non-fiction, if you want to categorize it. Yeah? But I give you the motor story. I did something that I go with it.